His Excellency
HP
and your cabinet. Now at this juncture, allow me to introduce to you the new head teacher.
Omukulu okusinga byo.
Ekisookera ddala kwe kwebaza community eno bannange. Thank you so much for supporting our school. Mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala. Abayizi, abazadde, abasomesa, teaching and non-teaching staff, but above all the head teacher. Thank you so much for making us proud of our school. Thank you so much. God bless you. Njagala kubebaza abasomero bano bombi, Mr. Chakulaga ne Mwami Musoke, because they came during my time. And it wasn't a simple coming. As the chairman, Board of Governors has already mentioned. But I just want to thank you that you have not let me down. May God bless you. Thank you so much. As Mr. Chakulaga was coming in here, Mr. Musoke was going to a city school in Kayunga. He has done wonders. We want to thank you, Mr. Musoke, for the work you have done there. Kwebaziza nnyo ne maama, mwebale nnyo gwe mutukoledde gubadde gwa tteendo. Era njagala okwebaza ne Mwami Chakulaga. Saagala kwogera bingi chairman byayogedde, naye senga otuyiyeeyo nze naali badde omu oyiyeeye nnyo. Thank you so much for the work well done. Njagala okwebaza. I want to thank you. For me, I joined this school, as the bishop has mentioned. I'm a nobby of this school. I joined the school in 1972. And all along, I have been watching and following the development of this school. I have seen the ups and downs of this school. I want to appreciate the staff, some headmaster, and the staff for the discipline of our students. Bane mwebale nnyo abayizi mwekubireko mu ngalo. Batambudde naye njagala kubebaza abayizi. Mwebale nnyo abaana olwa discipline gye mulaze. Era mbadde mbuuza chaplain. Omukulu abadde ayogera omukulu w'essomero omupya. Waliwo aboogera abatonotono ne mbuuza gurupu eyo yangi. Naga nti bakyali bato, bapya bakayingira, bakooye. Tobanenya nnyo. Mukama yeebazibwe. Basiniya wa nabo banaagenda mu maaso bajja kweyongera okumanya discipline eri mu ki mu ssomero lino. Naye njagala okubebaza abali erudda awo mwena. Your high discipline. Clap for yourself. As for the incoming teacher, I have this to mention. We want to thank the committees. Ssebo chairman wa board, chairman wa PTA, mwebale nnyo okuuma standard y'essomero lino. Mwebale nnyo mwebalire ddala. We love our school. I can say I love my school. We have gone through ups and downs with the committees of this school, with the OBs of this school. There are wars we have fought, internal and external wars. First of all, we had wars of this land. There was a lot of fight along the land of this place. Then we had the infrastructure of leadership. I remember it was with the late Sentong, when we had to buy a bus. It wasn't an easy thing. And I remember on our bus, he had actually put my picture there and some words. Then I told him, please rub the words. It is for the good of all of us. So there are so many things that we have gone through. I want to say that one of the tasks, me as an OB, that I want to give it to you, is to uphold and also strengthen the organization of the OBs and the OGs. Because we are ready to bring this school to greater heights if we are greatly mobilized. We tried a little bit during my tenure as a bishop. You remember the struggles went to our school, secondary, as OB. We had a dream, which dream we actually came to appreciate. This was our dream, that give us a child at 3 years, and in the same gate, in less than a kilometer, we give you back a doctor with a doctorate in the same gate. And that was down there at one SC, join the university, and in the same gate, you get out as a doctor who came at 3 years. And I believe by the time we left, we had achieved it, and it is still there. So I want to thank you all who have worked tirelessly with Mr. Chakulaga. And I want to appeal to you, join hands and work with Mr. Musoke to make our school the school. Ate wakiriza wamusoka je mukama yebazibwe tumulina mwesuubi ddene nze musaaside kubanga tumusuubira mu bingi naye tujja kukusabira mukama akusobozese. Finally, I want to say Mwami Chakulaga tukoze bulungi nti kati abaana baffe baperforminga so well era nga bwatutegeezezza our school is among the good performing schools. To the students, especially those in Senior 6, I want to give you good news that with God's blessing, God has blessed us. I'm now a chancellor, the chancellor of Advanced International University. And I want to offer 85 scholarships or bursaries to students who will come to join that school. 85 for those first come, first serve. And dear headmaster, come to your office. Those who wish to join Advanced International University, it is among if you follow the media, we can get a lot about our university. We have brochures, they'll be coming. Our niche is research and innovation. Now that we have excelled in sciences and other art subjects, please, you are welcome. Our university is found at Nansana. When you go by the Northern Bypass, when you reach Hoima Road, just as you begin Hoima Road, on your right is Advanced International University. So I wish you God's blessing, and I'm looking forward to seeing many students from Bishop Senior School joining us in our university. God bless you.